How to turn on or turn off calendar week view starts on today on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on settings. From the main settings page, we go down and then tap on apps at the bottom. Then tap on calendar. Now in here we go down and then tap on week view starts on today. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And this is what it looks like when we turn it on. If I open up my calendar and I go into my week view, so I will go into my week view in calendar. I'll just rotate to landscape. So show me weekly view, and here we'll start on today. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or switch it off in the calendar settings on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.